Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change background on Zoom application. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom application. Then here I have created a virtual room on my Zoom. And if you want to change your background, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on this button, this little arrow button. And then you're going to choose a virtual background right here. And as you can see that my camera is off. But don't worry because we can still change our background even though our camera is up. Then just click on and choose virtual background. Then you can select the background right here, and you can select the available backgrounds on your Zoom application. I'm going to try it one by one. But if you want to choose a background from your device, you can click on this plus button. Then you're going to tap on add image and select an image from your device you would like to apply as your Zoom background. And for example, I'm going to select this one, tap on the image, then tap on open. Okay, now as you can see that the background has been changed. And I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to turn on my camera. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background on the Zoom application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.